What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're talking about perfection and why your videos will never ever be perfect. I basically made this video which went up yesterday, today because I'm filming the video. Anyway, the last video I put up about my house tour, and I made it, and then just before I uploaded it, I was like, I wasn't sure if I wanted to upload it because it wasn't looking as good as I wanted to be. Now, I know for a fact that what my inner videographer says is always try and be perfect, try and make the best you can. But then sometimes I do remember when stuff like this happen, I know maybe I should just click upload and that's it. Learn from it. I should have done this better, I should have done that better. That's it, it's fine. And there is this quote from Voltaire that says, "Don't let perfection be the enemy of good enough." Basically, what this quote means, which actually the first time I've heard this quote was from Casey Neistat. And what this quote means is basically, you can't let perfection prevent you from finishing something and publish something that is already good. Okay? So when I look at a video like yesterday's video, I know it's a good video, it's not perfect, but it's good. And so I click upload and that's it. I watch it and I'm like, okay, could have done that better, could have done that better, but it's okay. Every single video I've ever made, if I look back to it right now, I can spot mistakes, I can spot things that I could have done better, but that's the whole thing about filmmaking. That's the whole amazing part of it, that you learn from each time, from each video, from every time you create, you're learning something during the process, and that's the amazing part of filmmaking. And to prove that, let me show you what I think I should have done better in the video from yesterday, for example. The thing that I don't like, I'm gonna show you right here. Okay, here. When I'm talking about the thing on the wall, I forgot to switch to manual focus, so you can see the focus peaking and trying to figure out where's the focus. And I hated that. And I could have just like waited for another day because I didn't have time yesterday, so waited another day and refilm the same thing, rewear the same clothes and everything. But then you realize it's not a client video, it's just a YouTube video. And that's what's the best thing about YouTube. You can just click upload and upload whatever the f you want. And nobody cares. Like, I don't care. If I don't care, why would you care, right? So let me show you another video. This is a video I made for Fedez, this Italian rapper. This was actually 1 year ago today. So it's an amazing video. Right, it's got like this amazing intro. Okay, that. You see how it zooms from Google Maps? So it was like a Google Maps animation, and then it zooms into the arena. I hate zoom transitions. Okay, I don't hate them. I don't like, personally, zoom transitions. So what I wanted to do there, I wanted to have the camera, the animation to pan down, the door, fake the door open, and then the thing to go inside. And I spent like 3 hours doing that, and I couldn't figure out how, and I didn't like it. And so I ended up just putting a zoom transition and just go and say, because that's fine, because it's a good video. I'm gonna link it below. All of these videos are linked below. It's an amazing video, and the artist Fedez was amazed by it. Like, he published, he got like 1 million views on his channel, on his Instagram. So it's an amazing video. But that little thing, I'm like, it's a bit. Going on to the next one. This is an edit I made for Enrique Iglesias from his tour last May, so like a year ago, more or less. It's one of my favorite videos I've ever made for the way it turns out. But there's one part that okay, it's an amazing video. The sound design, the swooshes, it's just, the swoosh are too loud. and it distracts you from the video. And also the heart thing, they come through the heart, is not really smooth. I don't know. I see it now and I'm just like, I could have done that better. I could have done that better, but it's okay. It's all good. Everything is fine. Don't try and make a perfect video, because perfection will kill you. I hope you like this video, guys, and if you do, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you probably tomorrow. I think so. I'll probably see you tomorrow. Hope you're doing good in this quarantine, and this is my new home, by the way, for the next month or so, hopefully, until I can come back to Bali. Hopefully really soon, because for as much as I love Australia, I miss Bali, I miss surfing, I miss friends. It's a lot of things I miss about Bali, so hopefully I'll be back soon.